Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to create a controlling area in SAP. To create a controlling area, you need to enter transaction code OKKP in SAP command box, then press enter. Here you can see all the controlling area created previously. So these are the assignment you see here, like the activate component, control indicators, assignment of company code. Here we will assign the company code for this controlling area. So I'll be selecting the standard one and I will click on copy as. Okay, here I'll change the code. I'll enter a different code for my controlling area. It's a 4 digit, and here I will enter the description. Okay, so here you see it's a cross company code, cost accounting, currency type is 30 group currency, and I am creating this controlling area in INR, Indian rupee. Fiscal year variant you see here, then cost center hierarchy. I will enter the code here for cost center hierarchy, then I will create the same cost center hierarchy in the backend. Okay, then after entering all the details, you need to press enter. You see here the standard hierarchy, and then to be created, click on yes. Now you can see the one entries is copied. Again, you need to press the save here. You need a TR for this. Create your own TR here. And click on save here. Click on OK. Now you can see here your controlling area has been created. Click on here. You can see all the details here. Now what you need to do, you need to create the standard hierarchy for this controlling area. So in next video, we will create the standard hierarchy, cost center standard hierarchy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.